Vendrisa Shop is marketed as an online store offering artwork, home decor, and creative products with eye-catching designs and attractive prices. The website presents itself as a destination for unique art pieces. But the real question is, should you trust this art store? Now, to be fair, many online art stores legitimately sell prints and home decor directly to customers. A niche online store isn't automatically a scam, but it's worth doing some research before buying. What it does well: unique artwork selection. The store offers a variety of prints and decorative pieces in different styles. Easy online shopping. The website is organized into categories, making it simple to browse collections. Where the hype falls apart: product quality may vary. The print quality, materials, and overall finish may not always match the promotional images. Check what you're buying. Make sure you know whether you're purchasing a print, canvas, digital file, or framed artwork. Shipping times may differ. Delivery can take longer depending on where the products are manufactured and shipped from. So, should you buy from Vendrisa Shop? Short answer: maybe, but do your research first. If you like the artwork and understand the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't rely solely on the marketing photos or discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.